Well, hello everyone, it's Daniel with Website Candy, and today I want to show you how to get unlimited content for your social media. Man, this stuff never runs out. You'll have this stuff forever. Well, hello everyone, it's Daniel with Website Candy, and I just wanted to say that I'm truly grateful for every one of you guys who hit the subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. In this video, we're going to talk a lot about how to get unlimited content for your social media. If you have a business, I have an example I want to show you, I want to run through with you. An awesome guy named Lawrence Kane with Abundant University. Everything that I've ever needed to make this video and produce this video for you guys is listed below. So it's an affiliate link. Check it out. You'll even be able to get Canva at a discounted price if you decide you want to follow along and do this for yourself. But if you decide that you want me to do it for you, I'm here for you. This is why I make these videos. I want to do this for you. Send me an email. My website will be listed below. And, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. It's going to be very inexpensive. Trust me. What we have here is I'm over in ChatGPT, and over in ChatGPT, I gave it this prompt right here. Okay. And I'm going to put this prompt down below in the description. What you can do is you can modify it and you can make it tailor-made towards you. So what I did was I said, write 20 quotes about why you need to save money. So that's where you would modify it and put your cause in there of what you're trying to market to your social media people. For Lawrence, he's a money man. So I just dropped in there why you need to save and invest money. Column one is the quote. Column two will be a call to action. And in the third column, I just have Abundance University for Lawrence Kane. I can add anything I want in there. I can add a phone number, whatever the case may be. So when I did the with ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT spit out and it produced for me. Saving now means having options later. It has a little emoji there with a little target on it. What are your financial goals? So that's his call to action. Here's the question that he's asking or the quote that he's creating. I'm going to regenerate that so you can see it in real time. And it did it again. And honestly, I liked it with the emojis. I thought the emojis were really good to add into there. So we're going to go back over here to version 1 once it gets done. And we're going to roll with that one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy all of this right here. Now, ChatGPT does have a copy button right here. Don't hit that though, because it's going to copy that as well. So let's go over here and meet Lawrence real fast, the guy I'm doing this for. And you can see that, I've already kind of made this video and I messed up. I'm doing it all over again, but I let Lawrence know that I'm producing these images for him. And he's like, oh man, awesome. I'm stoked. I'll check it out, whatever the case may be. I had his Facebook pulled up there, but I lost it. So look for him on Facebook. Right here is his website. More importantly, you can get all of his social media links right here. So here's his website. His website will be listed below. And here he is on Instagram right here as well. This guy is phenomenal. I've been toward this guy about maybe 15, 20 years ago. And we've been cool ever since. And he's been killing the game, man. I really admire this guy. He is just so awesome. So that's the reason why I'm going to produce these little social media things for him without any charge, straight up, no charge. So right here, I like this one right here. When it comes to, I'm over in Canva, and what I did was I just selected templates, and then I came here to social media. I don't want to lose my spot here for the simple fact of, matter of fact, I can run you through it real fast. So let's go over here to Canva, and right here I hit templates. And then right here, I hit social media and I hit Instagram posts. You can do Facebook posts, whatever you decide you want to do, however you want to do this. So when I'm scrolling down through here, I ended up here to this level right here. I got to this one right here. So I'm going to select that one. You can see they have 5 different templates to choose from. However, I'm going to just go ahead and select the first one. These other ones, I'm going to go ahead and throw those away because I don't want those. However, you can use those if you decide you want to. So we're just going to work with this one right here. Now, what you want to do is you want to come over here to apps. You want to scroll down here to bulk create. And I'm on a pro account. Make sure you look for the link below. As I mentioned, everything that I'm using from my computer to my camera, everything. You're able to get involved and do the exact same thing, but you need a pro account with Canva. Look out for that promo code in the description there. And once again, if you haven't had an opportunity to like the video, now's a good time to do so, and subscribe if you want to. But I'm going to hit the enter data manually. Now, when I get to enter data manually, I want to hit clear table. And word to the wise, before I go any further, I tried this yesterday and I was doing it and I was frustrated because it wasn't working because I was on Safari, also known as Safari. However, Chrome, it works really well. So if it's not working for you, try it on a different browser. So I'm gonna go over here and hit paste. And I got my quote, my call to action, and his little tag as far as his company name. I'm gonna scroll down here, I'm gonna hit done. Now that I hit done, right here you can see the 3 different attributes or whatever I need to do. And as you can see right here, it says right click on the element on the page and connect your data below. So right here, I'm going to right click on that element and I'm going to go over here to connect data and I'm gonna do the quote right there. When I come over here to this part right here, I'm going to say data, I'm gonna do the call to action right there. Okay, I can kind of move these around however I want to do it. When it comes to this right here, I'm gonna move this one down here and I'm going to say connect data and I'm gonna do Abundance University. Now, for some reason, if the template that you choose doesn't have 3 elements and you're going to do 3 elements, it's very simple, very easy. It's going to just adopt the same font style, but all you do is just hit that little duplicate button and you can add another element and then you right click and you tie in whatever it is you want to tie in. So you can have as many columns as you want, totally customizable, do whatever you want to do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move these little guys out the way, move that out the way. So when I hit continue, it shows me all my quotes right here. Okay, so now I'm just going to say generate all 20 quotes, and as you can see that it did it in a box style. Only thing I have to do from this point is go through and move things around to make them fit the way I want them to fit. Okay, I want to kind of move that down a little bit. I can take this little line and I can add it underneath this word right here, and I can take this line right here and I can add it under this word right here. I can get rid of the line if I want to. This one right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that line away, and this one right here, I'm gonna throw that away. I'm gonna select the call to action. I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger. However you wanna do this, you can customize it any way you want to. The Abundance University, I wanna kind of bring that up a little bit, center it. So it's just a matter of going through and modifying and getting everything that you the way you want it to be. Right here, what I've done is I've already created these, I've already sent them to Lawrence. And as you can see here, that I have 20 of them that I've already mass produced here. If this is something you want me to do for you, once again, I'll be happy to do it for you. Here's a tutorial on how to do it yourself. Real simple, real easy. I mean, this is engaging, this is connecting. And here's another thing I really want to point out. Here's one thing that peeves me. If I follow you on Facebook, if I follow you on Instagram, and I follow you on TikTok, I do not want to see the same content that you produce on all 3 networks. It becomes redundant. It's kind of annoying to me. Me personally, I wouldn't recommend it. So if you have 20 of these or 50 of these, you told ChatGPT to give you 100 of these. Take 25 and delegate those 25 to Facebook. Another 25, you delegate those to Instagram. Another 25, you delegate those here and you delegate them there. However, if I follow you all over the place, I follow Lawrence everywhere. I follow him on Facebook. I follow him on Instagram. I follow him on TikTok. I don't want to see the same content in every single network. So you're getting so much value here. You're getting so much from doing this to the point to where you can take 25 of these and you can give me value on Instagram. You know, give me the value to say, wow, this is why I follow this guy on Instagram. And I'm so glad I follow him on Facebook as well, for the simple fact that I got something different over here. So when it comes to this stuff right here, you can come over here, real simple, real easy. You can select a different template. You can do 25 different quotes in this format. You can do 25 different quotes in this format. Whatever you decide you want to do, add value to the people that follow you, because I mean, honestly, it's a privilege. There's billions of people online trying to sell a product. give them the value by giving them something different on each network, and you can do it when you have unlimited content to do it with. I'm gonna leave it there, man. I'm gonna head back over here to ChatGPT, show you this prompts one more time. I want to just show you this. Write 20 quotes about whatever your cause is. Column one, the quote. Number two, a column, call to action. The third column, you can do whatever. And then you can continue your type this out, or you copy this and you paste it, because as I mentioned, I'm gonna put it in the description. You can have 5 different prompts. When you come over here to Canva, make sure you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different prompts. You know, and something that I love about Canva, they kind of guide you in a way. Don't be afraid to be coachable and teachable, because there was something I seen over here and I went and produced it for myself. Was, did you know? They have like a did you know template. So when you go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to write it in a format of, did you know this fact about money? Did you know that fact about money? You know, you're educating your people, and the people are being educated through you, because you're the authority, you're the thought leader, you're the one that they're going to think about if they ever decide they want to invest in a business like yours. I'm done. That's the video. If you haven't done so, subscribe, like, and we'll talk later. Peace out.